afternoon, everyone. This is Nick, physical therapist and dad to 2 boys, and today we're going to be reviewing the Scosche MagicMount magnetic car phone holder. This is my go-to magnetic car phone holder. Actually just bought, this is my second one. The first one that I had lasted me for about 5 years, so it's really great. We're going to get into the details of each one, but I am going to mount this on the phone with you. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this cleaning wipe first, just to make sure the surface where you're going to mount it is nice and clean. So comes with that cleaning wipe. You want to go ahead and take that out of that package there. You can mount it up on the dash here. I'm actually going to put mine on the radio panel right here. So I'm going to go ahead and just clean this surface, and then while this is drying, I will show you some of the other stuff here. All right, so we'll let that dry. So everything that comes unpacked in this package here, you've got, of course, your mount. This is a 360 mount, which I really like. You can turn this and have this in any direction. So depending on the size of your dash or where you're trying to fit this in, it's pretty much can work anywhere. This strip just comes off, and then that's going to be real sticky, and we're going to adhese that to the panel here. It does come with a backup one, so if you do have an issue with the stickiness of that one, it comes with a second one. But I never had an issue with the first one. Like I said, I had it for about 5 years. It comes with 2 magnetic strips that you can use on your phone, a large one and then this small one here. I've actually got the large one. This one, I've got it on my phone. I've had it on my case now for about 5 years, so I still have that one on there, so I don't even need to use this one. So we'll save it in case I get a new case. For certain iPhones, if you don't use a case, you can put this, it seems like it's just like a piece of plastic. This is double-sided sticky. You can put this directly to your phone. There are some instructions here too. It looks like for iPhone 11. And so, all right, so it should be dry now. We're gonna go ahead and stick it on. So I'm gonna peel this off the back here first to reveal the sticky stuff. Very good, like that. And then take this here, bring it right over. All right, we're gonna be mounting this right here onto the panel. Make sure cosmetically it looks good, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna apply some pressure here for about 30 seconds. The instructions call for about 30 to 45 seconds of pressure being maintained. So we'll hold that there. Like I said, I've had this one for about 5 years. This is my second one. I've got an iPhone 11 that I use for it. It's great for directions. I've been a commuter for a while in my career as a physical therapist, and I used to drive an hour every day, both to work and then an hour coming home. Now I'm a mobile physical therapist, so I drive back and forth from people's houses. So I'm always in the car, always using my GPS, often FaceTiming people when I'm parked or stopped. All right, that feels pretty good there. And then we'll go ahead and just stick the phone on here for a second. There it is, it's stuck and it's perfect. And then that is it. There you go. Y'all said that's how you attach the Scosche MagicMount phone, car phone mounter. And if you have any questions, let me know.